Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 68 Lotus Type 49 racing car. It's by Hotwheels. And I don't know if you guys seen, they did launch a race car in a different livery. So that's in a green, kind of British green kind of color. I think it's a different liveries for different cars and different years, so it might be that. So let's open it up and see what are the details. So here it is out of its box, and the very first thing you will notice is this cool red and gold paint scheme with white going around. Apart from that, it's a racing car, so obviously it doesn't have doors and all that stuff, but got some good details, like on the side, number 5, Team Lotus, British flag. Same goes for front. You got number 5, Lotus badge, Ford badge. I think Ford might have supplied the engine back then, I don't know. You got the driver in the seat, you got the yellow cockpit glass going all around, then you got the engine in the back, all open up. There's dual exhaust coming out. Wheels, we have seen these wheels on some of the recent Hot Wheels, and actually they look good here, they don't look bad. Let's see the steering wheel from here. Looks good. I think I have the green ones. Let me find them so I can keep them side by side and show you. So if you see closely, those two have different liveries, different paint scheme, and even on the side and obviously on the top, but they do look very close to what like they are. So it might be same racing cars, but sometimes they do different paint schemes on different races. Well, that's all for the day. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.